Today I'm here to tell you about free personalized GED tutoring that is available to you no matter where you live or how old you are or what your financial situation is. Okay, yes, just like the picture of the nice lady there, it's AI. But hear me out. I really do believe in the power of this tool to help you pass the test. And I say this as a professional teacher whose sworn enemy is supposed to be ChatGPT, right? But I'm not talking about using it the way you're used to using it. It's not going to help you write any essays. You can't ChatGPT your way to your GED. I want to spend 5 or 6 minutes talking about what it can be good for. I'll show you what it looks like, what specific prompts you can use to make the most of it. I'm going to open up a whole new world of possibilities. And by the way, I asked AI to show me what a whole new world of possibilities looks like because I'm trying to make the videos more visually appealing. And here you go. Okay, so when I talk about AI, I'm talking about large language models like ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini, which I think are probably the three best for GED purposes, but there are others too. There will probably be more of them by the time I hit publish on this video. They all have apps, they all have websites, and they all have free tiers. So you can jump from one to the other when you run out of tokens or whatever. And you never have to pay for anything if you don't want to. Okay, let me show you some of the things that AI can do to help you pass the GED. Let's say you're studying. You're using a textbook or a GED website, or you're watching one of the many good GED videos on YouTube. And you come across a question you just don't get. If only there were someone to explain it to you. Well, I hope you're sitting down because guess what? This isn't even a screenshot. I just took a picture of a GED question from one of my videos with my phone. And with most of the AIs, you can just upload it and ask it to explain it to you, like you're holding out your phone and showing the problem to a very smart friend. And if the answer doesn't make sense to you, you can ask the AI to make it simpler, to explain it in a different way, just like you could with an actual human teacher. Another thing AI can do is help you understand specific concepts. The social studies test is a reading test, but it is definitely helpful to know the basics of civics. What's the Constitution all about? What are the 3 branches of government? How do I remember which is which? Let's eat jelly beans, by the way, as a way to remember the legislative, executive, and judicial branches. Love it. AI can also help create pretty good GED questions for you to practice with. You don't want to spend $25 on the Princeton Review textbook, or you're too lazy to get it from the library? Well, you can have AI make you your own digital textbook. One thing AI can do that a textbook can't, it can give you hints. It can explain concepts. It can answer follow-up questions you have, just like a human teacher. Another thing it can do, like a teacher, is grade your RLA essay, the only writing you have to do on the test at all. The GED publishes a grading rubric, so you can just give AI your essay along with that rubric, and it will give you feedback. I got a link in the description. You can download the rubric and feed it to all the AIs that you like. Claude here correctly gives the essay a perfect score, a 6 out of 6. I fed it the GED's official exemplar, so that's what it should have done. And it can give you feedback on specific elements of your essay if you wanted to. GED uses its own AI to grade your essays on the real test, so using the off-the-shelf AI to grade your practice essays isn't crazy. But I should say that I don't trust Claude and ChatGPT and Gemini to give you a perfect exact score, the same one that the GED AI will give you, but it will give you a ballpark estimate with a pretty good score. This one still feels like it's in beta testing, so think of it as something that's useful but not foolproof. Okay, I've got a few suggestions on how to make the most of AI. The first is to treat it like a person. I think if you put yourself in the mindset of this is your actual tutor, you'll end up asking the right questions, just like you would with a human teacher. I think it's also just more polite. And if you treat it kindly, maybe that will earn you some points with our overlords in the coming AI apocalypse. Second tip, be specific. And the best way to be specific is to use your score report. You get these score reports from taking the practice test, the ready test. Or if you take an official test and you don't pass it, you get this score report. You also get it if you do pass it, but then it doesn't matter because you passed it. It lists all the things that you had trouble with when you tested. When you ask AI to create specific problems for you or to go over certain concepts, those are the topics that you should focus on. Third tip. We are still early in the stages of AI domination and we still have some kinks to work out. So AI will give you the right answers mostly, but sometimes it does hallucinate, which means it will confidently tell you things that are 100% made up and divorced from reality. There's an over-the-top example right here you won't see in real life, but even here, if the answer sounds wrong or weird or suspicious, you can call it out. Gemini even has a double check this button, and AIs will usually cop to the hallucination if you call it on the hallucination. Final tip. Think of this as a dialogue with a teacher. If the feedback you're getting isn't what you want, if the AI's explanation doesn't make sense to you, ask it to give it to you in a different way. Tell it to make things simpler. Ask for mnemonic devices if you need mnemonic devices. Adjust the level of difficulty. Look, I think for the next decade at least, your best bet is still going to be to find a GED class in the real world somewhere and take it. I don't think I'm saying that just because I'm a literal GED teacher and AI is imperiling my job. AI is imperiling everyone's job. If you need help passing the GED and you can get yourself into a class, do that. I'd love to have you in my class if you're high school age and live close to Denver. Look how friendly and handsome I look. But if taking a class is not realistic, if the classes are too expensive or they're too far away or it doesn't fit into your schedule or you just hate being around other people, free private tutoring from AI really is a good option. You really can get a lot out of it. Give it a try. In the description, I've got copy and pastable search queries you can use along with the rubric. This should get you started. Try it out. If you have any tips, please share them in the comment section. I hate saying that out loud because it sounds so YouTubey, but I really am curious to hear how people are using this pretty incredible tool. All right, everyone, good luck.